A sensitive drilling machine. As the name suggests, sensitive drill machine. Operator senses the cutting action. That's why name is sensitive drilling machine. This is the bench type sensitive drill machine. Since the operator senses the cutting action, means either hole is completed or not, operator senses by giving the feed by this handle. Spindle moves down, tool cut the hole. So operator senses through this handle either the hole is completed or not. That's why it is called as sensitive drilling machine. Obviously this work table can be adjusted according to the height of the workpiece, and there is a radial clamp is provided. This column, this motor, this pulley, belt, this rotates, and spindle rotates, and this feed handle is used for giving the feed to the workpiece. Table can move up and down, and this feed is given by handle manually. Manually means by hand, and this machine is suitable for drilling the hole 1.5 millimeter to 15 millimeter diameter. Then nomenclature of drill bit. So this drill bit, this taper shank, this point angle drill diameter, and these are called as fluids: helix angle, lip relief angle, fluid length, body, shank length, overall length of the drill bit. So this twist drill nomenclature. So this twist drill, because spiral fluids are provided, that's why it is called as twist drill. And all diameters, land, lips, chisel edges are provided in the drill bit for proper cutting. Then types of drill bits. So types of drill bit: straight shank drill bit, in which this shank is straighter one, and that's why it is called a straight shank drill bit. And this taper shank, this taper is provided for holding this taper into the sleeve of the drill machine. This is the Morse taper. Morse taper is 1:20. So this taper, standard taper, and this taper is inserted into the socket of the sleeve. So since the shank is tapered, that's why it is called as taper shank drill. And spot face drill. Spot face drill means this is the portion provided for inserting into the hole. Sometimes what happens, suppose this is the workpiece and you made a drill hole over here. So this surface is a rough one. So for cleaning this surface, spot face drill bit is to be used. So this portion of the is cleaning the surface of the hole. That's why it is called a spot face drill. Then center drill. Center drill for marking the center before using the workpiece on the lathe machine. So now there are different drilling operation is to be carried out on drilling machine. Drilling, reaming, boring, counter sinking, spot facing, tapping, lapping, grinding, and trepanning. So one by one we will see the operations. First one is the drilling. Drilling, as you know, the drill bit is required for making the hole. For making cylindrical hole, by removing the metal by rotating the edge of the cutting tool called drill. Drilling is the simplest method of producing hole. Before drilling, the center of the hole is marked on the workpiece by drawing two lines at right angles to each other, and then center punch is used to produce an indentation at the center. The drill point is processed at this center. The produced required hole, the internal surface of the hole so generated by drilling, becomes rough, and the hole is always slightly oversized than the drill used due to the vibration of the spindle and drill. Then second one is reaming operation. Reaming operation means cleaning the hole. After drilling, you may observe that the marking of fluids on the drill hole. So for cleaning that hole, reaming operation is to be carried out, in which reamer tool is used, in which straight cutting edges are there of same diameter, and it is inserted, and reamer rotates as the drill bit rotates in drill machine. So this hole will be cleaned up. That operation is called reaming operation. This operation is carried out after drilling. So drilling, for getting the greater accuracy, reaming operation is to be carried out, and the tool is used known as a reamer. Then boring. Boring means enlarging the drilled hole, previously drilled hole, enlarging the diameter of the previously drilled hole by using cutting tool, that is called boring operation. Then counter boring. Counter boring operation, counter boring tools are used, and it is to be carried out in two steps. First one, we should know what is counter boring. Counter boring means enlarging the top of the hole, existing hole, to provide flat and square seating for screw, bolt or nut under the workpiece. So it is to be carried out in two steps. First we will produce the hole, then after that this counter bore is used for enlarging the top of the hole, that is called counter boring. The figure of counter bore will be like this. So this hole and this enlarged hole, so that's counter bore, to accommodate the head of the nut, bolt. So counter boring. Then counter sinking. In counter sinking, same process is there. Only difference is that first you have to produce the hole. After that, counter sinking tool is to be used for enlarging the end of the hole, but in inclined manner. That is called counter sinking. So counter sinking tool is used for large chamfer, to cut large chamfer of the correct angle, usually 90 degree. So here you can see the operation. This hole is to be produced and this counter sink is inserted. This is the tool for hiding the head of the screws. Okay, so this counter boring, counter sinking. Now spot facing. Spot facing, earlier I have told you spot facing. So first produce the hole, and spot face tool is used for cleaning the surface of the hole, for accommodating the head of the nut or bolt, or for keeping the washers over there. So seating for screw, bolt or nut, that is called spot facing. Then tapping. Tapping means to make internal thread. So tapping is the tool for producing internal threads. Instead of drill bit, tap is to be held into the spindle. So after making hole, this tap rotates into the hole. That thread will be produced. Then trepanning operation. Trepanning operation means for cutting very large diameter hole on sheet metal, patra. So trepanning tool is used. How it will be used, that we will see. So this is the metallic sheet and this is the workpiece, metallic sheet, and this trepanning tool. So a pilot is produced here, and this arm lock, Morse taper shank, tool holding screw, cutting tool is provided, and this pilot, when this rotates, it will produce a bigger diameter, and this cutting tool cuts the metallic sheet into bigger diameter and large diameter up to 350 millimeter. Okay, so these are the this is about the drilling machine. In next lecture we will start shaping and slotting machine.